In this video, I'll show you how to set up direct deposit with Sofi. Start by signing into your Sofi account on the website or mobile app. From the dashboard, open your checking and savings account. Next, find your banking details by clicking Account Details or Routing and Account Numbers. You'll need your routing number and account number to set up direct deposit. After that, if your employer uses an online payroll system, sign into your payroll portal and update your direct deposit information. Select checking as the account type, then enter the routing number and account number exactly as they appear in your Sofi account. Now decide how much of your paycheck you'd like to deposit. For example, choose 100% of your paycheck, or enter a fixed amount such as $500 per pay period if your payroll system offers that option. Next, if your employer requires a direct deposit authorization form, download it from your Sofi account if it's available. Complete the form with your banking information and submit it to your payroll or human resources department. After that, wait for your employer to process the request. Direct deposit usually becomes active within 1 or 2 pay cycles, depending on your employer's payroll schedule. Finally, check your Sofi account after your next payday to confirm that your direct deposit was received successfully. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up direct deposit with Sofi. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.